effect of noise pollution. People living with noise pollution may feel irritable, frustrated, and angry. With continued exposure to noise pollution, a person's sensitivity to stress increases. Loud noise at school or home make it challenging for children to concentrate, affects a child's behavior, their confidence, and their ability to form relationships. How to reduce noise pollution? Reducing noise from media devices. Avoid having unnecessary noise playing in the background for long periods. Avoid listening to sounds at too high volume. If loud noise is unavoidable, use ear protection such as earmuffs to reduce its impact. Thanks for watching.